Ивент тэтгэгч Mobicom, гэр бүлийн гишүүн бүрд.
I've been ignoring this big lump in my throat. I shouldn't be crying. Just what that we get days I'm stronger. Now I say something's missing. Wherever it is, the feels like it's never got me through the glass of a two-sided mirror. Whatever it is, it's just a little bit of me. And I just wanna scream. Oh, now I just can't figure it out. Oh, now I guess I'm just waiting out. I found the one, he changed my life, who was in me. That change and he just happened to come at the right time. I'm supposed to be in love, but I'm not my game. Wherever it is, the feels like it's never got me through the glass of a two-sided. Yeah, wherever it is, sitting there, I'll be the man, and I just wanna scream. Oh, now I just can't figure it out. What? And now I guess I'm just waiting out. What now? Oh, what now? There's no one to call, 'cause I'm just playing games with them. Oh, the more we swear I'm happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. 'Cause I spend every hour just to go through the motion. Can't even get the emotions to come out. Dry as a bone, but I just wanna show. I just can't